Choosing the right land. Embarking on your walnut farming journey starts with one fundamental decision: selecting the right land. The land you choose will have a profound impact on the health and productivity of your walnut trees. This chapter delves into the key considerations you must bear in mind while making this pivotal choice. Walnut trees thrive in deep, well-drained soils. Ideally, the soil should be at least 1 meter deep, allowing the tree's extensive root system to spread and access the nutrients and moisture it requires. Clay loam or sandy loam soils are ideal, provided they have good internal drainage. Poorly drained or waterlogged soils can lead to root diseases and generally poorer tree health. When evaluating potential lands, remember that walnuts prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6 to 7.5. If the soil is too acidic or alkaline, it can impede the tree's nutrient uptake, adversely affecting growth and yield. If you're unsure of your soil's pH, consider conducting a soil test. This simple procedure can provide valuable information about your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Climate is another crucial consideration. Walnuts are temperate plants that require a chilling period during winter to break dormancy and initiate normal growth and development in the spring. At the same time, they need a long, hot growing season to ensure the nuts mature properly. Eastern Europe's climate, characterized by cold winters and warm summers, is generally suitable for walnut cultivation. Accessibility and proximity to markets are other factors worth considering. While these don't directly influence the growth of your trees, they can significantly impact your farm's operational efficiency and profitability. The closer you are to your buyers, the lower your transport costs will be. Lastly, consider the availability of water for irrigation. While mature walnut trees are quite drought tolerant, they will need regular watering during dry periods, especially in the early years. In summary, the right land for walnut cultivation has deep, well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil, and is located in a region with a suitable climate, easy accessibility, and a reliable water source. With your land selected, it's time to prepare it for planting. Our focus for the next chapter.